Laptops that are using OLED displays is pretty uncommon. ASUS has been leading it with favorable price options, including this ultra-portable laptop that I'll be reviewing it today. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast Food episode 44. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we are checking out this ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED. It's an Ultrabook that features a small secondary display on the touchpad, which ASUS calls ScreenPad 2.0. We can easily distinguish ASUS Zenbook with its notable concentrate circle ASUS logo on the back cover. It has high gloss silver chamfered edges inside out, which is nice to touch and look premium. The aluminium armored Zenbook 14X OLED is built like a tank, meet the 810H US military standard for reliabilities and durabilities. It shows zero flexings on the chassis, even I try to bend it with both of my hands. Continuing its design language, the ASUS ErgoLift hinge is still present. It tilts the keyboard upward while raising the chassis for optimized air cooling. The display can open 180-degree lay flat, making it easy to share contents or collaborate with a group of people around it. The Zenbook 14X OLED is equipped with a great amount of I/O ports, 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4, a full-size HDMI 2.0B, a 3.5mm audio combo port, a micro SD card reader, and a single USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 on the left. Features Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6. Fingerprint scanner that support Windows Hello is baked onto the power button. The cherry on top of these laptops, of course, is the OLED display. The ASUS OLED panel is bright and vibrant, offer 100% sRGBs, 100% DCI-P3 color gamuts, Pantone validated and Versa Display HDR True Black 500 certified, which is an edge for content creators who need high color accuracy. It's an excellent display which I expected from ASUS OLED. Back to the ScreenPad 2.0, the 5.6-inch IPS level touch display has a rather high 2160 by 1080 resolutions. It operates just like an extended monitor where it allows you to drag windows or applications seamlessly. To switch from secondary display to touchpad, all you need to do is just single tap with 3 fingers. It will switch back after inactive for 2 seconds. This comes in handy if you like to have various tools on the side without interruptions of the main display. For example, Spotify, calculators, telegrams, or WhatsApp. Coming to performance, it was generally good for an Ultrabook. Here are the review's unit configurations and benchmark test result. Running Adobe applications are relatively optimized thanks to the NVIDIA CUDA accelerations, which improve the overall graphic experience on Adobe Creative Cloud applications like Photoshop and Premiere Pro that I use the most. It can also games like CSGO, Genshin Impact, Asphalt, and more, but at medium graphic settings. On average, it lasts around 5 to 6 hours on casual use like web browsings, music streamings, and some document editings. Heavy use like editing videos on Adobe Premiere Pro will only last about 3 hours before I need to connecting it to the wall plug. The ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED has an excellent display and solid build quality, robust performance with Intel 11 Gen Tiger Lake processor paired with NVIDIA GeForce MX 450 graphics. The only drawback probably is the middling battery life. For more comprehensive written reviews, do check the link in the description box below. That's all from me on the new ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.